Um, Saag और बाजरे की रोटी do you eat? So this is going to be a little weird, especially for everyone who's from north of India. I love bajre ki roti, but in our household we were allowed to have one dish which we would be allowed to not eat, and for me that was saag. For some reason I could never get myself to eat saag. स्लिम बॉडी से परेशान हो, प्लीज गिव मी सजेशंस. आई थिंक स्लिम बॉडी से आप पहले ऐसे इंसान हैं जो परेशान हैं, बट जस्ट आई थिंक सबका एक बॉडी टाइप होता है, और आप उससे शायद थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे जा सकते हो थ्रू जिमिंग, लाइफस्टाइल और आप डाइट से, बट उससे ज़्यादा आई फील इज वो अनहेल्दी होता है. तो इट्स जो भी जिस तरह भी आपको जिस तरह की भी बॉडी चाहिए, आप उसके लिए जितना आप हेल्दी वे से कर सकते हैं, दैट्स बेटर. बट यू आर द फर्स्ट पर्सन हु हैज़ अ प्रॉब्लम विद अ स्लिम बॉडी. What is the best dish in Haryana? What is not the best dish in Haryana? I think Haryana में your typical lunch with ghee and makhan and your of course your different kinds of rotis. I think that is my favorite, and of course kasar. I love kasar. It's sweet and I have a sweet tooth. I think वो जब भी घर में कोई शादी होती है तो I wait for kasar for sure. That would be my favorite. Excuse me about that. I mean, there are a lot of questions, but I really want to stick to International Meatless Day. Hi everyone. Okay, so what do I eat for protein? This is a very good question, क्योंकि लोगों को लगता है that अच्छा, मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश मिक्स करके बात करती हूँ, बट लोगों को लगता है कि एक बहुत ही पॉपुलर बिलीफ है कि आप वेजिटेरियन खाने से आपको प्रोटीन नहीं मिल सकता. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. दाल में प्रोटीन होता है, आपकी ग्रेन्स में प्रोटीन होता है, चिक पीज में, राजमा में, देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोटीन. आपको मटर में प्रोटीन होता है. तो अगर आप एक बैलेंस डाइट खाएं तो आपको वेजिटेरियन फूड से भी बहुत प्रोटीन मिल सकता है. All right. Do I like spicy food or not? I like spicy food, but I don't think I can tolerate spicy food. Do you eat street food? Well, I haven't had street food for the longest, thanks to COVID, but hopefully very soon I'll be able to enjoy my pani puri. Golgappe, sorry Delhi, it's Golgappe. Hi Naini! Naini Dikshit is here, everyone. You know what? You have a lovely voice. You should sing too. You know what? You would never say that if you actually heard me sing. Which food do you like the most, north or south? That's a tough question. I love South Indian, but if I had to eat it every day, I wouldn't. So I guess north is the answer. So now when I've quit eggs, what's the food that I've replaced it with? I used to have eggs for breakfast. So now I have my oats and my fruits for breakfast instead. Suggestion of food that will get enough protein for vegan. I just answered that question. Why haven't you tried non-veg? Um, well, I belong to a vegetarian family, so I think that was the seed. But at the same time, when we grew older, our parents gave us the choice to choose what we wanted to eat. I've I never felt like, because I never tasted non-vegetarian, so I never felt like I was missing on something. And also, I remember once when I was a kid, I went to this street in Delhi and I saw shops that were selling meat, and it wasn't a very pleasant experience for me to see that. And I mean, it's obviously it's everyone's personal choice, but I personally just didn't feel it was morally right to eat an animal. So even later, when I had the freedom to choose, I chose to remain vegetarian. What do you like, tea or coffee? I actually don't. I'm actually neither. Why are you only telling about food and not answering about education? I would love to talk about my education, but maybe some other day. Are you Chinese girl? That is a very random question. All right. I am gonna scroll through. Hi everyone. I can. Alright. राजस्थानी खाने में कौन सी डिश अच्छी लगती है? आई डोंट थिंक मैं एक डिश चूज कर सकती हूँ, क्योंकि जब भी मैं राजस्थान में जाती हूँ तो आई हैव द होल थाली. आई थिंक राजस्थानी फूड इज यम. प्लीज डोंट मेक मी मिस इट, बट आई थिंक there's no one dish. ऐसा कोई एक डिश नहीं है जो मुझे अच्छा लगता है वहाँ पे. तो वेन एवर आई एम इन राजस्थान, आई एम ईटिंग लिटरली एवरीथिंग. Soya chunks are the best source of protein. Of course, soybean is a great source of protein, but I think everything in moderation is good. So they are a good source of protein, but not the only source of protein. Do you still play Mario Kart? How do you know I used to play Mario Kart? I don't. Do you eat dal pakwan? I mean, yeah, if it's there, I would. How to reduce carbs or replace? Carbs are quite important. You shouldn't go on a completely no carb diet, because your body does require carbs uh, to actually function in a normal manner. So try to cut down on simple carbs and on sugar, but do make sure that you're taking enough carbohydrates in your diet. All right. Hi everyone. Hi Naini. Again. How do I keep myself so fit? Lifestyle. I'd like to think I'm fit. Can you suggest an easy to make healthy vegetarian dish? Actually, there are a lot of vegetarian dishes. The easiest are salads and soups, but I think khichdi is one dish which is hassle-free. It's easy, and it's quick and it's filling. Hi everyone, to everyone who's just joined. Welcome to my life. I would love to answer about my work, but maybe on another live. Northeast का कौन सा खाना पसंद है? Actually, it's been a while since I've been to Northeast, but you guys make really good soups. Really good soups. Do you like Maharashtrian food? I don't know if Vada Pav qualifies for Maharashtrian food, but Vada Pav any day. Do you like masala dosa? Who doesn't like masala dosa? Everyone loves masala dosa. What do you mostly eat at night? I think at night मुझे इतनी भूख लगती नहीं है, so my dinner is usually light. So it's maybe like dal with a salad and some soup. Sounds really healthy, but I'm not really hungry at night. Come to Gujarat. I would love to travel soon. What is your view on a carb-free diet? I've just discussed the same thing while I was answering a previous question. I feel that carbs are important. You can't completely cut them out of your life. Of course, if you want to lose weight, then you can reduce your intake, but make sure that your diet has enough protein, carbohydrates, as well as fats, and whatever other nutrients and micronutrients that your body needs. Because food isn't just about losing weight, but it's also about nutrition. Hi. My God. Sending you all love. Do you like Bengali food? I actually, whenever I'm in Bengal, I am just in the dessert section. I have a sweet tooth, I have sweet teeth, and I love the sweets over there. Oh, hi Pratmesh, how are you? Generally, at what time do you get up and go to bed? I am actually an early riser, so I would probably go to bed early, and I'd like to get up by like 5:30. So Pratmesh is asking for a diet plan. Pratmesh, please tell us about your diet plan first. But if I can convince you to go vegetarian, I think I would consider that as a milestone in my life, because Pratmesh lives on fish. Do try going on a plant-based diet. Also, Pratmesh, tell us how to get those abs. Hi Booba, how are you? Of course, I love Rasgulla from Bengal. So I guess no one has any more diet related questions. So I'm going to say bye-bye to all of you and thank you so much. Someone just said chole bhature. Now I feel like having chole bhature, but thank you so much for joining me, and I'll just end it on a note that you are what you eat and your diet is your personal choice, but make sure that you're not eating what you've read about, but you've actually felt it from within, and make sure that you make that choice. So whatever suits your body is great, but do try going on a plant-based diet if possible. Hi Booba, I miss Indonesia too. I wish I could I could see you very, very soon. Hopefully, I'm going to see you very soon. But thank you so much. Bye, everyone. And I don't know how to end this. Great.